That's what I got, man.
That's it?
Yeah, of course. Would you doubt me? This is like gold, man. I got the Lions bumper kits, tensioners, belts, the whole spread. Yo, you doubt me?
I don't know. I guess I was expecting a little more.
Oh, come on, man. What's the matter with you? You don't see the value here? The bumper, heavy duty steel, corrosion resistant, bolt on like a dream. It has style and stress. And don't let me get started on the tensioners. Engineered for reliability, OE quality performance, less wear on the belts, and real premium stuff.
Geez, I didn't know they were that good.
That's because you open your mouth before you think. You know where I scored this home?
I don't know. Some back alley with a handshake and a promise.
The California Truck Center. I work there. We running a sale right now. 40% off through May. Legit prices, top shelf parts, service installation, no funny business.
You serious? That's an insane deal.
I'm serious as a heart attack. You want your rig running right, this is where you start. So let's get you loaded up, get it to the shop before someone gets wise. Be careful, or this bumper is worth more than your car.